Hi, this video going to be about rule of probability and how we apply it in order to solve genetics problems. And here's a problem. You cross two mouse strains, heterozygous for 4 genes, and here is a genotype of each parent. So what proportion of the total offspring would be homozygous for all 4 genes? And here is the 5 answers to choose from. If you know how to solve this problem, you may stop video here, try to solve this problem on your own first, and when you would be ready, you can run video again, and you can compare your answer with my answer and explanation. So the first step, what we are going to do, we are going to list genotypes of both parents that we are going to cross. So parent 1, genotype would be capital A small a, capital B small b, capital C small c, and capital D small d. And we are going to cross with parent 2, whose genotype going to be absolutely the same, so heterozygous for each allelic pair. And now we have to predict what is the probability that the offspring would be homozygous for all 4 allelic pairs. And how we are going to solve this problem? It is easy if we build a Punnett square. So imagine that we have here parent 1 on this side, and for the gene A, for example, this parent would be heterozygous, so would have capital A and small a alleles. And on this side we would have parent 2 that is also going to be heterozygous for the this allelic pair. So as you see, both parents are heterozygous. So we also put here capital A and small a. Now when we build a Punnett square, we can predict the probability that the offspring would be homozygous for this gene. So here we would have capital A, capital A, capital A, small a, capital A, small a, and small a here. So as you see, this is going to be homozygous dominant, and this genotype going to be homozygous recessive. So as you see together, that means that 2 out of 4 variants would be homozygous. So the chances would be to get, when we cross these 2 parents, to get homozygous offspring would be 1/2. So 2 out of 4 would be homozygous. So 1/2. That's why we apply the same rule to each allelic pair. So the same results would be here, and the same results would be here, and the same results would be if we cross these 2 allelic pairs. So because in simple Mendelian genetics we have independent assortment, we assume that all these 4 allelic pairs are on the different chromosomes. So they would assort independently, and the probability would be for each allelic pair as follows. So we have 4 allelic pairs that can be at different states: homozygous dominant, homozygous recessive, or heterozygous. And chances that the first allelic pair here would be homozygous dominant or homozygous recessive would be 1/2. And chances that the second allelic pair would also result in homozygous dominant or homozygous recessive state also would be, chances would be 1/2. And the same rule applies to all 4 allelic pairs. So now when we know that chances 1/2 for each allelic pair, we have to find the probability that all this happens to all 4 allelic pairs, and we have to multiply these probabilities. so we have to multiply 1/2. The probability that the first allelic pair would be whether homozygous dominant or homozygous recessive, with the probability that the second allelic pair would be also in homozygous state, and second and third. So 1/2 multiplied by 1/2 would be 1/4, multiplied by 1/2 would be 1/8, and multiplied by 1/2 would be 1/16. So chances would be 1/16. And as you see, this is the answer C. And if you have to give an answer as decimal, you have to just divide 1 by 16, or if you need to give an answer as a percentage, you have to divide 1 by 16 and multiply by 100, and the answer would be in percentage form. So if we divide 1 by 16, we are going to get 0.0625, and we have to multiply by 100, and the final answer in percentage form would be 6.25%. So this answer would be if you need to give an answer in percentage form. So this is all for today. Thank you for attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, questions if you have any, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.